Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option and tap on it to enter. And here we have three types of volumes. We have ringtone, alarm volume and workout broadcast. Before we change them though, I recommend to scroll down and turn off the mute option. This will basically enable the sounds on your watch. And now we can tap on ringtone and we can adjust the sounds to our liking, sound volume rather, to our liking. This is for the ringtone. Next we have the alarm volume and then the workout broadcast. And once you're done adjusting, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.